To the Elite Eight for the first time since 2010, now hoping to break their school's tournament record with an Elite Eight win. And in the battle with the top seeds Gonzaga and Purdue.
Coming off the screen, Smith a three.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for central and southern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:58 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 0.75 and 1.50 inches of rain have fallen. Rainfall rates will be between 1/2 inch and 1 inch per hour. Flash flooding and landslides are expected. Hazard: flash flooding and landslides caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Long Beach, Malibu, Culver City, Venice, Santa Monica, Inglewood, Manhattan Beach, Beverly Hills, Hermosa Beach, Hollywood, Redondo Beach, Torrance, Universal City, downtown Los Angeles, Encino, Burbank, Griffith Park, North Hollywood, Van Nuys, and Rancho Palos Verdes. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Majority of people supported what was in it. And support voter